we will be discussing and we will be talking about goal setting in terms of your own goals. Like पहले हमने जब से like in term as a business graduate, we all discussed about organizations goals or organizations के mission vision or organizations के plans, organization की strategies. But particularly for this particular course of professional development, we will be discussing about self management, that how we जिस हमने पहले बात की previous lectures में regarding self branding. Then we discussed about how you as a brand can represent yourself. Then we discussed about assertiveness. Then we discussed about how one have to like जिसमें हमने कहा socialize कैसे करना है. So again, if we move a little bit further, अगर हमारे पास अपना एक we have that हमने जिस तरह activity भी की थी mission and vision की. Now we are a little bit more clear what is the direction of our life कि हमें जिंदगी में करना क्या है. So उस डायरेक्शन उस पर्टिकुलर चीज़ को अगर हम आगे लेते हुए चलें तो वी नीड टू हैव सम गोल सर्टन. जिस तरह हमारे कुछ गोल्स होते हैं लाइक दोज आर लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स और सम आर शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स. If we talk about BBA was a long term goal because 4 साल it's a 4 years long journey which you are like about to be completed inshallah by all of you. But again इसमें कुछ ना कुछ short term goals like semester by semester you will be covering all the topics and all the courses and you need to pass them, you need to have good grades as well. So these were your short term goals, and then in between some of you have this and took this opportunity to go with different internships or different again exposure. आपने industry का exposure भी लिया या you had the opportunity to attend different seminars, workshops, trainings आपने ली, खुद conduct भी कराई, organizers भी बने बहुत से events के. You were also part of like different societies. So all these things comes as आपका अपने आपको as a portfolio, as a brand, how you try to build that image. A step further, now it's the phase or it's the time that you need to plan yourself. You need to have a goal in your life. Like, oh, all right, I am standing at 8th semester of BBA. What after this? मुझे क्या करना है? What is my goal after this? So again, we all have different aims in our life. Like might be you want to start your own business or you want to go with the flow of like education. I would like to have pursue higher education maybe from Pakistan, maybe from any other international university or abroad. Maybe I would like to give a gap of 1 year or get the exposure from the market. Let's drill down ourselves. Let's see what we have studied in this 4 years and then have this experience and exposure. And then further on, I'll see either I go with higher studies or something else. So again, there are different plans. So someone will like, okay, fine, that's it. उसके बाद मुझे नहीं पढ़ना, बस कुछ नहीं करना. So again, there are different goals or different aims that you all have right now. But how you have come to that particular point, आपने कैसे plan किया? Again, every business, every one needs to have a goal. अगर हम businesses की बात करते हैं, either it's big FMCGs or multinationals, or it's small maybe startups. Everyone has their goals that what they exactly need to do or how they have to go along with that. If we talk about academics, हमारे जिस तरह goals हैं कि अभी जिस तरह semester में pass हो जाए, 8 semester के सारे courses अगर हो जाएं, so exactly what next we are going to do. Sports में again जिस तरह हम goals होते हैं, goal in terms of like आपने goal, that goal is a little bit different कि you need to again आपने उसको if you want to win, you need to either make it possible. आपने goal करना है, आपने you need to win for your team, you need to win for your country. So again that's a different goal. But वो भी goal वही है कि आपने अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंचना है. उस मंजिल पे आप कैसे पहुंचते हो, that differs and depends. Everybody has a different journey, everybody has a different path, everybody has a different destination as well. It all depends at how you want to lead towards that. Because मेरी जो destiny है, how I वही वाली बात है, how much I am paying attention, how much hard work I am doing for getting it. अगर मैं कहूँ यार मेरी डेस्टिनी में लिखा हुआ है, जिस तरह हमने अपने आई गेस आई रिमेंबर हमने एक बात की थी किस्मत पे और एक दिस पर्टिकुलरली ऑफ लाइक हाउ यू गो विद योर. सो अगेन किस्मत इज वन थिंग दैट्स फाइन, बट you need to pay a lot of hard work in that if you want to be successful. If you want to be like I want to stand out from the crowd, you need a lot of hard work. बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, dedication, your again sincerity, loyalty that comes in, that needs to be paid over there. So if we talk about goals for our own selves, we would be having different goals that serve as a motivation for us. That's like कि हमें कितनी effort अब मेरे गोल्स किसे कहते हैं ना, एम हाई, हम हमेशा कहते हैं लेट्स एम हाई, जितना आपका ज़्यादा एम होगा, अ पर्सन हु जस्ट एम्स टू बी अ मैनेजर will be a manager for throughout his life, but a person who would be like, I will be in a leading position, maybe CEO of the company, or maybe the directing heads, or maybe the cluster head, or whatsoever. So I have some aims कि मुझे ऊपर जाना है. अगर मुझे उसी जगह रहना है, उसी जगहों पे रहना है, so definitely I'm not going to grow. मेरी ग्रोथ आएगी भी रही, क्योंकि मेरे जो मेरी एफर्ट्स हैं उतनी ही है कि बस मुझे यही चीज़ चाहिए थी, इतने हो गए, दैट्स इट. सो आई वुड बी stagnant, I would be staying on the same place, because मेरी efforts भी उतनी ही हो जाएगी, because मेरे जो मुझे चाहिए था बस मिल गया, बस इससे ज़्यादा नहीं है. इससे ज़्यादा जब किसी का नहीं होगा, they would be stuck, they will be definitely on that particular same stance. And definitely आपकी जो चीज़ों में आगे आपने जो भी अगर करना है, you won't be paying any heed or any effort towards that. जब आपके लाइफ में जिस तरह अगर अगैन वी आर हैविंग गोल्स इन आवर लाइफ कि अच्छा यार बाय दिस इज ना, नाउ यू हियर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, गुरुज जिसको आप कह लो, या लीडर्स, और इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइक दिस मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स, व्हाट दे हैव, दे ऑलवेज से वन थिंग कॉमन in between all of them: goals. क्या करना चाह रहे हो जिंदगी में, क्या मकसद है, लाइक एट द एज ऑफ मे बी राइट नाउ इफ यू आर 23 or 24, मे बी एट द एज ऑफ 28 or 30 or 32, what are your aims कि मुझे यहाँ तक इस टाइम में पहुँचना है, कैसे पहुँचना है, again you will be doing efforts for that. So how you adapt those particular things into you, how you adapt those things in your personality, in your overall behavior, in your overall that how you have to work with, that's basically your that the effect of that particular goal that drives you, that motivates you, that pushes you to work hard to reach your destiny, to reach your goal. If we are not having any goal, definitely it will create boredom. We will be bored. वही वाली बात है, अगर जिसे कहते हैं ना, a very simple thing if we relate to, अगर we are having a hobby, अगर हमारी कोई भी hobby है, we adapt that hobby, तो हम कभी कहते हैं बोर नहीं होते, we will be indulging in that. If a person is without any hobby or without any goal, uh, without a purpose in his life, so definitely वो get no purpose in life means that you are just like a person who would like आप you're already half dead, because आपकी जिंदगी में आगे कुछ नहीं है, आपको नहीं पता मुझे क्या करना है, या maybe you have never thought it about, or you never thought about it. अगर आपको बिल्कुल आप सोचते ही नहीं है, तो that means this is something you need to think कि आपको क्या करना है, मुझे क्या exactly, मुझे क्या चीज़ इंटरेस्ट है. It could be anything. It does not need to go with academics only. It could be anything, like someone who's very good at maybe just an आजकल IT में, या maybe any other field or any other thing that's really interests you. Like I would like to read books, or I would like to play golf, or if I would like to go and hang out with my friends, or do socializing or networking. So again, it depends at what exactly interests you and how it benefiting you in the longer run. वो आपको एज अ जिस तरह आपके एज अ ठीक है, मुझे मैं बिजनेस कर रहा हूँ, तो जितना मेरा अच्छा नेटवर्क होगा, तो डेफिनेटली आई एम गोइंग टू ग्रो वेल एज वेल. In terms of a person who is more towards a job, जो job seeker है, he would be having a different perspective. He would be having different interest, because उसकी जिंदगी का purpose different है. So again, whatever it is, you need to have a very much clarity in the direction you are going, and then you can set your goals. These are very common things. So I'm like, again, this is like a recap of those all. Now, if we go towards the productivity of this pyramid in terms of our goals, and if we see this like as a reverse pyramid, we'll start with our values कि हमारे जो end term जो हमारे जिस होते हैं, हम जिस सोसाइटी में रहते हैं, हमारे क्या values है, हम किस चीज़ को value करें, हमें क्या चीज़ देखनी है, हमें क्या चीज़ नज़र आनी है. Maybe at the end of the day हम कहाँ पहुँचना चाहते हैं. It's maybe because of the society, it's maybe because of like our parents, our background, our culture, what exactly they want. So मैं अगर कहूँ, for example, being a parent, I'll say मेरा बेटा या मेरी बेटी, I will say कि ये यार इसने, you should achieve this, you should do this. They are really encouraging you, they are really motivating you. They are like again, they are like your जिसमें कहते हैं family is your support system. So again, this is something that's also add to your values कि how you need to go along with the thing. And then you make your long-term goals, like while starting this BBA, you have this idea, you have this particular goal कि मुझे अच्छा BBA करना है, BBA के बाद मैं क्या करना चाहूँगा. even this throughout this 4 years of your journey, it gives you more clarity कि मुझे किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है. जिस तरह अभी आप लोगों ने सबने स्पेशलाइजेशन अपने चूज की हैं, सो दो स्पेशलाइजेशन एक्चुअली made you possible कि आगे क्या करना है जिंदगी में. Maybe अभी भी there will be some students who would like to change this area or who would like to explore more कि मैं अच्छा ठीक है जब मैं MBA करूँगा तो maybe I would be going for another specialization. So again, how much that particular the schools have given you direction, that differs. Now we have long term goals. Again, long term goals are like again जो हमारे आगे maybe down the lane 5 साल 10 साल 15 साल or whatsoever. But again, long term goals are like more than 3 to 5 3 years से ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं तो they are like long term goals. तो जो हमने जो भी प्लान किया है that's our long term. शॉर्ट टर्म और जब इसको हम इंटरमीडिएट गोल्स भी कहते हैं, इंटरमीडिएट गोल्स आर लाइक जो हम डेली बेसिस पे जो हमारे छोटे छोटे टास्क हम जिसके chunks of like pieces of those goals which we are achieving, like semester by semester you're achieving and you are मतलब graduating or going through this particular graduation कि आप अपना while completing one semester you move to another semester, that's your intermediate goals. Thode chunks of like these you are completing your BBA degree. So again, these are your intermediate goals. Then we have some daily tasks. जिसको obviously जो daily task है like again अगर अभी आपके पास you have 5 courses along with a research report how you are doing that आप daily basis पे या उसको किस तरह कर रहे हो उसका क्या complete कर रहे हो and how you are going along with those subjects, सबके असाइनमेंट सबके क्विजेस आप किस तरह लेके चल रहे हो ताकि आपके ये इंटरमीडिएट गोल्स कंप्लीट हो. व्हेन दोस आर बीइंग अकम्प्लिश्ड यू मूव टुवर्ड्स योर लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स. सो दिस इज हाउ आवर लाइफ गोज. नॉट जस्ट एकेडमिक्स, इट्स आल्सो रिलेटेड टू आवर पर्सनल लाइफ एज वेल. हम जिंदगी में छोटी छोटी चीजें स्टार्ट विद आवर डेली रूटीन डेली लाइफ. अच्छा ये करूंगी, देन विल गो विद अनदर स्टेप. हम एक स्टेप फर्दर हम उसको बड़ी उसको एक्सपैंड करते हैं, देन और ज़्यादा एक्सपैंड करते हैं. सो अगेन with these little footsteps we start our journey. Either it's a business भी वही वाली बात है रोजाना की जो आप चीजें करते हो फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता अपना बिजनेस आपका ग्रो करता है. The same goes for your job. If you are pursuing for a job, again day by day from your daily activities daily routine आप अपनी चीजों को सीखते हो करते हो अपने आप को पॉलिश करते हो अपने skills and then you go forward and then you become a professional, a groomed person with having exposure and full of experiences. So that's how your profile is being added as well. Now, again, important questions comes in like why goal setting. Again, this is something that needs to give you a direction. जिस तरह भी हमने कहा, that gives you a motivation, that give you higher degree of your like where exactly I would like to go. You will be more towards or you will be committed toward your goals. You will be having positive expectations. Very important thing that will give meaning to your life, like exactly मुझे करना क्या है, because there are people who are still blank that where exactly their life is heading towards. उनको क्या करना है जिंदगी में उनको नहीं पता. They don't have that ambitions or plans. So if you lack this, so definitely एक जगह में जाके एक time के बाद you will be stuck. You will be like, or you become discontented or you become dissatisfied with your own life because you don't have a meaning. इसलिए कहते हैं जिंदगी में कोई मकसद होना चाहिए कुछ करने का. It could be anything. It's just not related to सिर्फ पढ़ाई करनी है या कुछ और करना है या maybe नौकरी करनी है. It could be anything that you are passionate about. Maybe if you are passionate about traveling, कि यार मुझे ट्रैवल करने सारी दुनिया देखनी है, मुझे कुछ और काम करना है या मुझे I want to make something different. I would like to do something what other people have not done. So this is something. So again, that's actually your meaning of life. That how much clear you are or how much clarity you are having in terms of your thoughts about your life, about what exactly you want to drive that. So again, being the driver of your life, you being the driver of your car, you should be knowing which direction I need to go and how much effort I have to put in that. Like again, there are kinds of goal. One is specific goals and one are proximal goals. Specific goals are basically more towards like they increase your motivation. Like I am very much focused. Like I know what to do. What are my like? अगर मैं ये चीज करूँगा, like for example, passing through this degree, I know I have to pass all through the subjects, like 48 subjects, I guess. So I need to cover all those my 48 subjects to pass through this degree. This is my specific goal. I could not like मैं किसी एक कोर्स को छोड़ के I could not get the degree. मैं कंप्लीट नहीं कर सकता. But there are some proximal goals in between जो आपके अगर for example they provide you reliability, they provide you how much आपकी कितनी आपने progress कर ली है, and then they again definitely they provides and they maintains that motivation. Like आपके जिस तरह small pieces, the chunks of goals, आपके छोटे goals आपको बताते हैं, या आपके जो short term goals होते हैं, they provides you कि exactly मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं किस direction में जा रहा हूँ, either my direction is right or wrong, either I'm able to get what I exactly intended to. So I will have to have a proximal goals. Proximal goals again जो कहते हैं ना, this is something that's अगर मैं जिस तरह हम बात करते हैं, something that's near to my, कि मुझे यार this is something यार ये मुझे achieve हो जाए ना, तो this is something I would really like to have. तो हम अपनी जिंदगी को मीनिंग देने के लिए हम कोई ना कोई सेंटर पॉइंट्स रखते हैं, हम कोई ना कोई शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स रखते हैं, ताकि अगर ये अचीव हो जाएंगे तो वी बिकम सेटिस्फाइड, हम वी बिकम कंटेंटेड कि हमें आगे भी बढ़ना है. सो इसीलिए हम प्रोक्सिमल गोल से स्टार्ट करते हैं. प्रोक्सिमल गोल्स आर सेम लाइक आवर शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स. So they again tells us exactly what we have to do, how much far we have come, how much we have done or achieved in our life. So they also give us motivation. Then this is something I guess we are studying or we are going through from the day first of being a business graduate. Smart goals, like what are the smart goals, right from the principle of management to your marketing management, or principle of marketing, principle of this HR, human resource management, to different courses. We have covered this particular topic of smart goals: specific, measurable, action oriented, attainable, or realistic and timely, that what you need to do. So without more into going into further discussion, what is specific goals? Anyone? How your goals are specific? Yes, Anya? Anya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are the specific goals,
Ma'am,
Sania?
ma'am, goals should be like this, that they should be attainable.
All right,
They should be completed on time. They should
all
be
right.
basically smart goals.
So if we talk about
They should
smart
be
method,
meaningful.
okay. Yes, Kiran, what is
मैम
specific in smart
स्पेसिफिक
goal?
आई गेस इस तरह से कि अगर मैं बोलूँ कि मुझे बैचलर्स करना है, बट आई हैव टू बी स्पेसिफिक कि मुझे किस फील्ड में बैचलर्स करना है, सो
Good,
दैट विल बी
good,
माय स्पेसिफिक गोल.
good, good. Very good. So specific is something how much like how much clear you are about that. Like for example, that's a good example that what exactly मुझे किस area of specialization में जाना है, अगर या मुझे किस field में जाना है, या if I talk about particularly आपको किसी भी आपका जो goal है, मुझे इसमें क्या चीज़ चाहिए. Like some people would be happy with average grade, but some people won't be happy with the average grade. They want a very good grade in that. Or some people will be like कि मेरा expectations ये नहीं है, मेरी expectation इससे भी ज़्यादा high है. So I would like to be very specific in terms of like कि मुझे exactly what I want to attain from this. What is my level? What is my threshold? What is my maybe ambition from this particular thing? That's specificity. The second one about the specific or smart goals is measurable. So what is this? How we can quantify? Yes, Haris. Hashir. That means people who are not participating, they are not actually in the class. फिर उनके attendance में लगाऊंगी भी नहीं next time. If you're not participating, that means you're absent from the class as well. Okay. No, not Irsalan. I would like to hear from someone else. Anil Zera.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? What is the second goal setting?
Ma'am, you said that goals should be quantifiable, they should be measurable. So it's like कि ज़्यादा extreme goals ना set किए जाए, for they should be realistic. Hello.
All right. Okay. Okay. Yes, Arsalan.
So, ma'am, for a measurable goal, we can say that, like, if we take an example of a student who's weak in maths, so he takes tuition every week just to, uh, get good grades and do better in exam. So basically, it's again something which is accessible and which is realistic, which can be achieved. So by this tutor example, I think that measurable goal can be set.
All right. All right. Good. Good. All right. So now our third goal is action oriented or attainable. What is attainable then? Let's hear from Aruba. I'm noting down the names जो class में बिल्कुल नहीं participate कर रहे. Then if you like when I'm asking questions again they are not participating, that means you're not there. Haris, Share, Aruba. All right. Saireen, what is action oriented goal setting?
मैम मतलब रियलिस्टिक होने चाहिए, अचीवेबल, ऐसे नहीं होने चाहिए कि बिल्कुल वेग हो एंड यू नो इट डजंट गिव यू अ डायरेक्शन. बेसिकली गोल्स शुड हैव अ डायरेक्शन व्हिच यू वर्क टुवर्ड्स देम.
Very good, very good. They should have to have a direction. They would should be like how you are going to have आप उसको किस तरह achieve करोगे, क्या चीजें हैं, क्या steps हैं. So you should be very clear in that ताकि आप उसको कर सको. ये नहीं कि मैंने कोई goal बना दिया but I am not able to achieve that, I am not going to attain that. So the goals का जो आपका बनाने का that particular purpose will not be fulfilled. Okay, moving towards our fourth smart goals. My fourth one is realistic. How much realistic your goals are. Let's hear from Eamon.
Yes, ma'am. I think the goals should be realistic. Like you don't make goals that are unattainable for you.
Okay.
Like we make study plans.
Hmm.
Like I will complete all the things and at in one night before the exam, and I think
All
they
right.
need to be realistic.
Good. Good. Okay. Yes, Talha.
मैम रियलिस्टिक गोल्स बोल सकते हैं मैम कि आप जो आप कर चुके हैं, मतलब जैसे मुझे एक बुक रीड करनी चाहिए असाइनमेंट के लिए, लेकिन मैंने बुक के 2 चैप्टर रीड कर लिए हैं, सो इट्स बीन डन, मतलब वो हो चुका है या हमने अटेन कर लिया इस गोल को, तो वो रियलिस्टिक गोल होगा.
एक्चुअली रियलिस्टिक गोल्स आर लाइक जो अटेनेबल हो. अगेन जिस हमने पहले बात की थी, ये नहीं हो कि जिस तरह वो अचीवेबल ही ना बन सके, वो हम अचीव ही ना कर सकते. हमने इतने हाई, वी हैव सेट अ वेरी वेरी हाई गोल्स फॉर आवर सेल्फ, जो हमने इतने वी हैव एम्स वेरी हाई कि वो चीज़ हमसे हो ही नहीं पा रही. दैट वाज नॉट एबल टू actually we are not able to fulfill or we are not able to attain that. So definitely it will not be realistic क्योंकि वो नहीं हो पा रही. It's not achievable, it's not attainable. So we should need to set realistic goals जो एक्चुअली हम कर सके. लाइक अपनी लाइफ के गोल्स में भी वी नीड टू हैव रियलिस्टिक गोल्स कि अच्छा यार मैं ये चीज़ कर सकता हूँ. Things beyond my control, things beyond my limits, if I'm not able to, definitely they are not realistic. They become unrealistic then. Okay, last point of your SMART goal is timely. Now, what is timely goal setting? Let's hear from Sabi. Maham.
Yes, miss. Miss, time goals are targets that we can achieve with breaking them into days. Like we want to do bachelor's. For that, we'd first have to go through our intermediate and get admission into universities, and we should have milestones to achieve first to get
Very
into
good.
that
Very good.
that
Very
ultimate.
good. All right. Very good. So we need to have milestone. We need to have small goals in, in terms of like to achieve our long-term goals. हम इसको we need to break it down into smaller goals. Very right. So this is basically your for writing any SMART goals. You all were very right. We need to have a clear idea what exactly our goals are. Then we need to evaluate that how we need to make it action oriented, like attainable as well as realistic, like going through our performances, going through our maybe achievements. We can consider through past as well कि हमें क्या चीज़ करनी है आगे future में, what exactly I want to do. This you can make and formulate your goals, and then you need to again practice them. You need to again follow them so that can be achieved. जिस तरह हमने कहा ठीक है हमने इस तरह बना लिए, realistic भी हैं, attainable भी हैं, we know how to do that, we are on the right direction. But we need to keep in mind time as well, like the time framework, कितना हमारे पास उस चीज़ का time है. Like अगर मुझे BBA करना है तो fine, I do have 4 years, maximum I have 7 years to complete it. In between मुझे इससे पहले और क्या क्या काम करने हैं. If it's something related to my maybe इससे पहले अगर मैं internships कर रहा हूँ या मैं कुछ और maybe I'm focusing on, or if I'm taking a break of a semester break अगर मैं बीच में ले रही हूँ, so I know I have this cushion period and this is my timely I have. Sometimes your goals also need some like short term अगर goals हैं तो आपने again इसको divide इस तरह करने हैं, so that can leads towards long term. Short term जितने अच्छे तरीके से आप करोगे तो definitely your long term goals are also achieved. Yes, Anas?
Ma'am, but the goal should not be easy.
हाँ, definitely it should not be easy. It should be something that's again जैसे कहते हैं आपको आपके जब तक goals challenging या motivate आपको motivate नहीं करे या आपको drive नहीं कर रहे कि यार that's the something, वही वाली बात है how you are aiming for that, कितना आपका aim high है.
Sure, they should be outside the comfort zone.
Definitely. That's again you are grilling down yourself कि यार मुझे यहाँ तक करना है, this is my extreme, ये मैं कर सकता हूँ. वही तो आपको एक push कहता है, वो देता है आपको एक power देता है आपको अंदर से, एक कहते हैं ना आपको जो आपका inertia है वो कहता है कि नहीं यार this is something I really, रात को उठ के सुबह दोपहर you are an early riser as well, so you're following your timely routine. So this is something, these are few of the things आप अपने life pattern में आप लेके आते हो because of these goals. अपनी जिंदगी को एक मकसद देते हो. So again आपको जब अपनी जिंदगी का मकसद, you know what is your destiny, what is your maybe that point where you want to reach, definitely it will give you that particular direction, and it will give you fine, I have to work for that. Either it's day or night, I will be going towards for attainment and fulfillment of my goals. So that's it regarding goal setting. I guess the SMART goals we have already covered so many times. Otherwise, I do have an activity. So we'll be doing inshallah, like how you all have to write your own goals. You should be clear about that, how you need to go with that, how one can set that direction, how we can have like हमारे पास proximal goals हैं, intermediate goals हैं, जो हमारे short term goals होते हैं, and then we have long term goals. So everything, just as Anna said, you all need to have challenging goals, or you can say like things which actually motivates you or drives you, and then you can be inshallah achieving and making whatever you want to achieve in your lives. So this is the benefit of having goals in our life. जिसके पास a person who is clueless, a person who is not having any goal, definitely that person will lead more time कि कहाँ पहुँचना है, उसको ज़्यादा time लगेगा उस जगह पहुँचने में जहाँ maybe you really want to go, and otherwise you will be clueless, you will be without a particular path. Yes, Anas.
Ma'am, there are some case studies in which the goals are set completely outside the box. For example, if you take an Elon Musk example, that he wants to establish complete living space at Mars or Moon, I would rather say. So, if you are thinking 20 years back, at that time of the moment, it would be like that. It's not attainable, it's not achievable. But right now, it is. So it depends upon the situation to situation, time to time, and also if how he planned the things at that very particular time of the moment, he would have also thought that it's not achievable, but he made it.
Also, one thing I would like to add, that he was having a vision. मुझे पता है कि यार this is something I would like to add or I would like to achieve. चाहे right now it becomes or it seems impossible, but in the longer run I am going to make it possible. So that's something exactly your goals are. That drives you towards your that particular journey कि मुझे यार कहाँ तक जाना है, what level I would like to go. Yes, Arsalan.
Ma'am, I would like to answer Anas, and I had this perception that when we are talking about goal setting, say for example that they are around, like in Pakistan, there are around 50,000 people who go to gym regularly, but they all do not, get their weight loss or get whatever they want. So they have to strive and work hard for that. So it's not like that you have that goal. It again depends that how willing you are for that goal, or you want to, how badly you want to achieve that.
Definitely. Even they are like, just to add on, अगर मैं इसको बात करूँ, there are people, वो सारी facilities, सारी जिंदगी की चीजें होने के बावजूद भी they are not able to do that. वही वाली बात है कि उनके अंदर ये motivation नहीं है. So motivations or that drive comes from inside, right? How much exactly I would like to achieve. Right now, if I'm like, just if I take my own example, if I have done MS, I have done different certifications. I'm already doing, I am planning or I'm doing my PhD. So that's my inner motivation that drives me. अगर मैं ना ही करना चाहूँ या मुझे आगे नहीं बढ़ना, तो nobody else would be saying कि यार इसको करो, जितना मर्जी वो प्रेशराइज कर ले या कह दे मुझे outside world, I wouldn't be doing that particular thing because वो मुझे अंदर से वो चीज़ नहीं है. तो जब तक आपके अंदर से your inner drive, your inner motivation, that your inner morale आपको नहीं आ रहा या आपके अंदर वो चीज़ नहीं क्लिक करी, कोई भी आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड वोंट बी अफेक्टिंग यू, आपको वो चीज नहीं कर सकता. इसीलिए जब तक कहते हैं ना आपको वो अंदर से नहीं आ रहा कि यार दिस इज समथिंग आई रियली, इस तरह अनस ने कहा दैट्स रियली राइट, कि आपको आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग की बात करें, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स आइडियाज या चैलेंजेस की बात करें, दैट कम्स फ्रॉम योर इनर ड्राइव. किसी की एग्जांपल ले लो, ऑल दीज पीपल हु आर बिलियनियर्स, मिलियनियर्स, हु आर मे बी लीडिंग कंपनीज और ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, दे हैव दैट विजन इन देयर लाइफ के ओके फाइन, this is something we need to achieve. How we are going to make it possible, that will go with this particular हमारा जो journey है, that will go along. Step by step, they also fail. Step by step, they also learn from their mistakes, but still they are going and following their path. That makes them different from the rest of the crowd. हम एक जगह स्टॉप हो जाते हैं, हम थक जाते हैं, हम हार मान लेते हैं. There are people who, all right, small stops are good, that's better, but you don't have to like just stop and be stagnant and be like आप उस जगह रुक नहीं जाओ जिंदगी में. You need to move further, बढ़ते रहो आगे. That's the whole thing. So that's it from this particular topic. Any other question, any other thing you would like to add or say about this particular topic? You're most welcome.